In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to a board in Monday.com. If you're managing tasks or collaborating with a team, integrating email addresses directly into your project boards can be a game changer, helping you streamline communication and keep everything organized in one place. Let's dive right in and walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to Monday.com's website. If you aren't logged in yet, you'll want to look for the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on it, you'll have a few options for logging in. For ease and efficiency, especially if you already use Google services, click on the Google Login option and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. You can find your boards listed on your dashboard. Just click on your preferred board and it will bring up your workspace where you can manage projects and collaborate with team members. Now comes the next part, adding a new column to include email addresses. Look within your board for the table where all of your tasks and data are laid out. You'll need to locate the plus icon, which is usually positioned at the far right of the existing columns within the table. By clicking on this icon, you're given the opportunity to create a new column. When the column type search bar appears, simply type in the word email. This helps you quickly filter out the available options and locate the email option. Click on Email to create a new column specifically designed for holding email addresses, which are distinctly set apart from other types of content. With your email column now in place on the board, you can start populating it with the necessary email addresses. You do this by clicking on any cell within the new column and typing in the email address you wish to add. Repeat this for each email address you need to include, ensuring you have all relevant contacts directly on your board for easy access and management. And there you have it. You've now added an email column to your Monday.com board, complete with email addresses. This feature is especially useful for ensuring communication is both direct and efficiently organized as part of your project management approach. Remember, having email information directly on your Monday board can significantly enhance your workflow by centralizing essential contact data within your project management tool. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Monday.com.